Today I'm going to do a little review of the Autoluxor Carvac. We're going to see what it can do. So as you can see, my floorboards are pretty dirty. Plenty of debris and dust and things like that. So as you can see, it's picking up everything pretty well. It's doing a good job. It comes with 2 attachments. I like that. I really like that it comes with a charger. It's portable. You can keep it in your car, like easily storable in your door bins, your glove box, whatever. As well as it comes with a washable filter, which is pretty nice. And the bin's easy to take off and clean out and things like that. If you guys want to see a video like that, I'll show you. Just comment below. The link's in my Instagram bio if you guys want to get one.